master the basics of headset functionality, ensuring your Minerva Ajax headset is ready for use. Step 1. Visual inspection. When removing the headset from its bag, check that it's clean and free from visible damage. Make sure all nuts, clips, and fittings are secure and tight. Lastly, confirm the microphone cup, lead, and ear cups are correctly attached to the appropriate parts. Step 2. Fit the antenna. Locate the right-angled antenna and screw it onto the left-hand dome using the knurled nut at the base. Once attached, ensure the antenna is pointing upright, as it would be when worn, towards the sky. Step 3. Power on. Find the power button, which is either black or white depending on the headset version, and located on the underside of the left-hand dome. Press and hold for 1 second, then release. The LED will illuminate green. If fully charged, the LED flashes 3 times with 3 beeps. At 30 to 80% charge, it flashes twice with 2 beeps. Below 30% charge, the LED flashes once with a single beep. We recommend only using the headset when you receive at least 2 beeps. In urgent situations, it can be used with a single beep, but keep in mind you'll only get a warning tone in the ear when there's less than 30 minutes of battery life left. If there's no light or only 1 beep, the headset likely needs charging and it's time to plug in. Step 4. Charging. The charger socket is located at the bottom of the right-hand dome. Within the first 30 minutes of charging, the headset will regain roughly 2/3 of its battery life. While charging, the top LED turns orange. When fully charged, the light turns off. Step 5. Position the microphone. For Minerva Ajax headsets, the microphone is contained within a cup. Depending on the version you have, older or newer, the momentary mic button will be located either offset to the front of the cup or positioned on the top. Connect the microphone lead to the 3-pin socket on the left-hand dome and also on the microphone cup, aligning the key. When removing the lead, press the small silver release button before pulling the cable. In the correct position, the microphone should be in front of the head and, when in use, push to the face over the mouth. The orange lanyard should be worn over the head to take the weight of the mic cup when not in use. For correct orientation, the antenna should be on the rear side of the headset when worn. Step 6. Using the buttons. On the front top or side, depending on the model of the mic cup, there is a red button. This is a momentary push-to-talk button for the headset microphone to go live and talk to the cockpit. Headset volume is adjusted using the black knurled turn wheel located on the outside of the ear dome. Depending on the headset model, this may be on either the left or right dome.